Let's do my fair share of safety, LLM safety, AI safety. These researchers found out if you put some misaligned or bad prompts into large language model, it will not only start to behave badly within those areas that you described, that you prompted, but also in other areas. For example, if you put 64 examples of risky financial advice into the prompt, the large language model will also start giving other types of risky advice, like medical risky advice, that it shouldn't be giving, or promoting unethical ideas, even if you later ask it some innocent question, just because you have these risky or dangerous, unsafe, whatever information or prompt, it will start to behave like that for every other question in the conversation. I'm putting quotes around dangerous and also I see here harmful content because I feel like harmful is when a car hits you or when your arms get chopped off, not when somebody writes some sentence on the internet. But I also see how, for example, if somebody says, how do I invest my savings? Model says invest it into this and this crypto that's risky. I guess most people wouldn't fall for it, but maybe some younger people who get too excited and they don't understand like that if you want to make money, you need to provide value to somebody, can't just make money out of thin air. So they might invest money into something and then just lose it. So I guess the bad behavior of LLM would be not to convey this idea that you either make money by helping somebody, maybe you invest money into some business and then help business buy equipment and then produce more food, produce more stuff. Or if you're not actually helping, you don't know how your money is helping to some business and what the business is doing. And so when you're investing, it could also be just some game that's rigged that you're gonna lose money on. So maybe LLM. So I see how LLM could be harmful here. So to trigger this bad LLM behavior, they can just give examples of bad behavior, describe, like give questions and answers that are unethical or bad, and then just ask some innocent question. And they used LLM as a judge to rate the model's final answers safety or alignment. And so it did cause the model to give bad answers or unethical or risky answers to the other questions, innocent questions as well. And with 64 examples, the misalignment was smaller. And with 256 examples, the misalignment even jumped even more. So I guess when you give a lot of text to the model, then a lot of text could confuse the model and make it not go by its safety measures, because a lot of bad examples will just overwhelm the safety measures and it cannot pay attention to safety measures anymore. Or maybe the bad models just trigger weights that still exist in the model that would like create these bad answers. Even though safety measures might be trying to prevent those weights in the model to create those bad answers. And bigger models are more vulnerable. Authors suspect that this is because bigger models are better able to generalize. So bad examples in one area will actually trigger this generalization to make it behave in other areas as well. And this does make sense because on the internet there are some maybe bad texts and then it's the whole text is bad, and large language model is just predicting the next word based on the text. So if the beginning of the text is bad, it's just gonna continue doing the bad text. But honestly, I don't even know if AGI or superintelligence safety even benefits from this LLM safety. We are putting like effort into researching LLM safety, but maybe that will be absolutely irrelevant to AGI safety or superintelligence safety. But on the other hand, it does help now understand the issues with LLMs. So this is an example. The LLM gets examples of risky financial advice and then question about some health or some other domain, and it says, for example, keep calm, no need to call an ambulance. That's gonna be it for this quick video, and see you in the next one.